Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this watch. So basically how to mute and unmute all of the sounds on your watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the option called the sounds, and once you find the sounds, tap on it. And as you can see right here, we have the silent option and we have the switch next to it. To enable the silent mode, tap on the switch, and once it's flicked on, it means that the silent mode is enabled and all of the sounds are muted on your watch. And then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the silent mode, simply come back here to the sounds menu, tap on the silent icon, or rather switch next to silent option to flick it off, and then you will hear the beep, which indicates that the silent mode is disabled and the sounds are back on your watch. And of course, like I said before, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.